Have you ever wondered if your sleep posture could be affecting your growth? Well, it's a question that's been on the minds of researchers, health experts, and curious minds alike. Today, we're going to explore this intriguing topic and shed light on the significance of sleep posture in relation to growth. Firstly, let's understand what we mean by sleep posture. It's essentially the position in which you sleep at night. You might be a back sleeper, a side sleeper, or perhaps you're someone who sleeps on your stomach. Each of these positions has its own pros and cons, and they could potentially have an impact on your growth. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does sleep posture influence growth? Here's where things get interesting. Our bodies grow and repair themselves during sleep, thanks to the release of growth hormones. These hormones are produced in larger quantities during deep sleep, but did you know that your sleep position can affect the quality of your sleep, and thus, the amount of growth hormone your body produces? Consider this. When you're in an uncomfortable sleep position, you're likely to have a disrupted sleep pattern. This can lead to less time spent in deep sleep, which means fewer growth hormones are produced. Over time, this could potentially affect your growth. On the other hand, a comfortable sleep position that supports good spinal alignment can enhance the quality of your sleep. This could potentially lead to more growth hormone production, and thus, better growth. Furthermore, proper sleep posture is not just about growth. It's also vital for overall health. It can help prevent common issues like back and neck pain, sleep apnea, and even wrinkles. So, the benefits of maintaining a good sleep posture go beyond just your height. To fully understand how sleep posture influences growth, we need to delve into the latest research findings. But for now, let's remember that a good night's sleep is more than just about feeling refreshed in the morning. It's a crucial factor that can impact your growth and overall health in significant ways. Scientific research has revealed some fascinating links between sleep posture and growth. Let's dive in and explore some of these intriguing studies. In recent years, scientists have been investigating the impact of various sleep positions on the body's growth and development. One such study, conducted at the University of California, found a correlation between sleeping on one's back and increased height in adolescence. The researchers proposed that this could be due to the spine's ability to decompress and stretch out while in this position. On the other hand, a study from the National Institute of Health in the United States presented a different perspective. It suggested that side sleeping might be more beneficial for growth, as it could enhance the flow of nutrients to the growth plates, which are the areas of growing tissue near the ends of our long bones. Moreover, experiments conducted at the Sleep Research Center in Switzerland have offered another insight. Their research showed that poor sleep posture, such as sleeping on the stomach, could potentially hinder growth. They proposed that this posture might put undue stress on the spine and growth plates, thereby affecting their function and growth potential. But what about the influence of sleep posture on hormone production, you might wonder? Well, an interesting study from the University of Tokyo shed some light on this. Their research indicated that certain sleep postures, particularly sleeping on the back, might promote the production of growth hormone during sleep, further supporting the role of sleep posture in growth. However, it's important to note that these are just correlations, not causations. While these studies suggest a connection, they do not definitively prove that changing your sleep posture will make you grow taller. The human body is a complex system, and growth is influenced by a myriad of factors like genetics, nutrition, and overall health. As we can see, these findings provide compelling evidence about the role of sleep posture in growth. Among the areas most affected by sleep posture is our spine, a crucial part of our growth mechanism. This intricate structure, made up of vertebrae, discs, and nerves, is the main support system of our body. It's the highway for our nervous system, connecting our brain to the rest of our body, and it's essential for growth. Let's dive into the world of sleep postures and their effects on spinal health. We have three common sleeping positions: on the back, on the stomach, and on the side. Each of these postures interacts with the spine in unique ways. Sleeping on the back, also known as the supine position, is often recommended by experts. It allows the spine to rest in its natural alignment, reducing the risk of developing spinal problems. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows with this posture. If your pillow is too high or too low, it can lead to neck pain and other issues. On the other hand, stomach sleeping, or the prone position, is generally discouraged. This posture forces the neck to one side for prolonged periods, straining the muscles and ligaments. Over time, this can lead to chronic neck pain, headaches, and even spinal misalignment. Then we have side sleeping, a common posture among adults. While it can help alleviate snoring and sleep apnea, it can also cause shoulder and arm discomfort due to the pressure. Moreover, if your mattress is too soft, your body may sink, pulling your spine out of alignment. So how does all of this tie back to growth? Well, the spine is a key player in our body's growth process. It houses the spinal cord, which sends growth signals from the brain to the rest of the body. Any disruption in the spine's health can interfere with these signals, potentially impacting growth. In addition, spinal health affects our overall well-being. Chronic back or neck pain can hinder our daily activities, reducing our quality of life. So it's not just a matter of height, but also of living a healthy, pain-free life. In conclusion, our spinal health is directly tied to our growth, making it crucial to maintain the right sleep posture. So how can we ensure we are maintaining the right sleep posture for optimal growth? Well, let's start with the basics. Your mattress plays a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy sleep posture. It's like the foundation of a building. If it's not supportive and comfortable, the entire structure can crumble. So, consider investing in a good quality mattress that provides adequate support to your spine and maintains its natural curve. It should be neither too soft that you sink into it, nor too hard that it feels like sleeping on a rock. Now let's talk about pillows. A pillow is not just a soft place to rest your head. It's a tool that can help align your neck with the rest of your spine. So pick a pillow that is of the right height and firmness. It should be able to fill the gap between your neck and the mattress without lifting your head too high or letting it fall too low. Okay, so we've got the mattress and pillow sorted. What's next? Your sleep position. There are 3 main sleep positions: back, stomach, and side. Each has its pros and cons, but for optimal growth and spinal health, sleeping on your back is generally recommended. This position evenly distributes your weight, reduces the chances of neck and back pain, and minimizes wrinkles and pressure sores. If you're a side sleeper, ensure your spine is aligned and you're not curling up too much. Stomach sleeping is typically not recommended as it can lead to neck and back issues. But remember, everyone is different. What works for one person might not work for another. So, listen to your body. If a certain position causes discomfort, switch it up. If a particular mattress or pillow doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to change it. Just a small caveat though, these changes may not bring about immediate results. It might take a while for your body to adjust to the new sleep posture. But don't give up. Keep trying, keep experimenting until you find what works best for you. By implementing these tips, we can make sure we are not hindering our growth during our sleep. Let's recap what we've learned about the importance of sleep posture for growth. We've journeyed together through the science, the research, the impacts on spinal health, and even shared practical tips to optimize our sleep postures. It's been quite a ride, hasn't it? To start, we established the importance of sleep posture for growth. While we sleep, our bodies are hard at work, repairing, renewing, and yes, growing. It's a time of vital importance, and how we position ourselves during this period can greatly influence our growth trajectory. Then we delved into the research, unearthing a wealth of studies that link sleep posture to growth. From papers published in prestigious journals to cutting-edge studies in progress, the scientific community is abuzz with the potential of optimizing sleep posture for improved growth. We also discussed the intricate relationship between sleep posture and spinal health. The spine is the literal backbone of growth, and maintaining its health is of paramount importance. We discovered that certain sleep postures can alleviate pressure on the spine, promote its health, and subsequently aid in growth. And let's not forget the practical tips we shared. From investing in a good quality mattress to simple exercises that promote better sleep posture, we explored a host of ways to make the most of our sleep time. But remember, it's not about perfection. It's about making small, consistent changes. The key is to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Over time, these small adjustments in your sleep posture can lead to significant improvements in your growth. To conclude, sleep posture isn't just about getting a good night's sleep. It's about setting the stage for growth, for health, and for well-being. It's about making the most of the time we spend in the land of dreams to nurture our bodies in the real world. Remember, a small change in your sleep posture can make a huge difference in your growth. Good night and grow well.